Hi, and we're the
Microbe
Brothers. I'm Sam.
And I'm Toby. Today we're looking at some pond water from the bottom. It has some dirt in it and it looked brown when we got it. Last time we were looking at some algae from a rock.
Yeah. Oh, look at this. There's another green blob flying past our little heliozoa buddy. Looks like it might be getting attacked.
Maybe it's just trying to stab stuff so that there's less stuff always zooming by it because it's so slow.
Yeah. Here we have a flatworm spook, right?
It's huge.
Yeah. And if you know what any of these things are that we're not totally sure what they are, please leave your answers in the comments below. Seems like that clearer part at the end is probably the mouth. It's searching. It might be searching for food.
Yeah, maybe it's just trying to get away from something. Here we have what we think is a nematode.
Definitely a flatworm.
A roundworm.
Oh yeah, sorry. And if you know what it is, please leave what you think in the comments below. So here we zoomed out and slowed down. Looks like it's trying to eat something, doesn't it?
Yeah. But it must have gotten attacked because it's running away now.
It might be running away. It might be doing something else. We don't know.
We couldn't see what it was eating. It was off the screen.
If it was eating. Looks like it's burying its front in, or maybe it's back into the dirt up there. Oh, and here we have a stentor. Looks like it's having fun spinning around.
Yeah, looks dizzy.
Yeah, I'd be dizzy.
We're lucky we don't spin.
Like that, yeah. So, here we can see it's closing. At the end, it's sort of engulfing something, maybe, or trying to defend itself.
Something like that.
You can see the, flagella, or cilia at the end, right?
Yeah. Here we zoomed in on it.
And
you can see those cilia very well.
Yeah, you can see it pretty well.
Please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon, and so that you get notification when we post the next video. And thanks for watching.
Bye!